What if I told you there's a way to make crispy kale chips in your microwave faster than ordering takeout? Forget the oven. Your microwave is the secret weapon for the crispiest kale chips you've ever had. Start by tearing fresh kale into bite-sized pieces. Toss them with a drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of salt. Then spread them on a microwave-safe plate in a single layer. Nuke them for 2 to 3 minutes, keeping an eye out for that perfect golden crisp. No waiting, no burning, just instant crunchy goodness. Pro tip: add a sprinkle of nutritional yeast or smoked paprika for an extra flavor kick. Who knew healthy snacking could be this easy? Ready to try it? Drop a comment with your favorite seasoning for kale chips.